So it wouldn't be a Driver Motorsports open house if we didn't have a new car show up.
Got the GTR in.
Ed's gonna tell us what we're raffling away. It's the morning of the open house. It's nice and chilly outside. It was hot yesterday, man. It is chilly today. CJ's washing his car. Ed's already washed his. Well, one of his.
AKA the drift turd. Can you cut me out a vinyl that says drift turd?
So it wouldn't be a Driver Motorsports open house if we didn't have a new car show up.
That's right. Got the GTR in. Brad's GTR that we're gonna build with the Garage Active wide body kit. It's gonna have a RB34 in it. It's gonna be amazing, really.
We might have to take this thing to see.
We are gonna take it to see.
So this thing runs good.
Yeah, it does run good, and
so,
it's like not rusty at all. It's the body and paint actually in really good condition too. It's almost a shame.
But no, the interior, like the dash is the cleanest dash I think I've seen. Like nobody put any dumb crap on it, you know what I mean?
Alright, good right there. Thing looks good, man.
Alright guys, it's happening. We're pretty much set up. People are starting to roll in.
We don't have like just kit stock because
Dress Up Bolts looking fresh in the house.
Getting all set up.
Getting the cars lined up out here. Do a little walk around real quick. Good Lord. It's a lot of polish. We got the merch table set up, ready to take all your monies.
Super rare car. You never see these. Check this out. Oh. Nice. So 3000 GT VR4. Man, this is like one of the cleanest ones I've ever seen. You really don't see these anymore at all. This is badass. Got swing set out here.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Well,
What you got going on?
Lynchburg Nissan exclusive. We got a 2019 Nissan Titan SL Midnight Edition with the Rocky Ridge package.
Oh shoot, that's that big boy.
Yeah. Lynchburg Nissan, come see me.
Get it. Get it. Hey. Awesome. Good call. Oh, that's a good one.
It looks so good.
Hoo-wee.
Apparently this man pulled up in a Porsche. I gotta check it out. Console was blue? Wow. Bring it on in. Bring it on in.
J-swap. Ridiculous. You don't see those.
Sounds.
Yeah. One J-swap. That's why I said you can hear Zach before you can see him.
Yeah.
I love 1Js.
Yeah, me too.
I love 1Js.
1Js and E30s are a great combination. Stopper. Man, I'm amazing. Great to see you on this fine Saturday.
Yeah. Got everybody waiting on that. The white one. Look at them brakes though. Them joints are that clutch though.
bet not.
Yeah, that's cool. 1830. Yeah, I bet you this thing's ridiculous.
All the weights in the front.
I have twin Super 18. Okay.
That 24 karat. Oh, never mind. They're chrome though. That's awesome. Yeah, chrome calipers.
You think that'll fit with the regular covers on it?
It will.
Yeah.
Yeah. This the Hypertune covers, it lowers that. I mean, the stock covers come up pretty high.
I'm not gonna do that.
We had to lower the whole subframe and everything down about an inch because that turbo, the rear turbo, sits pretty high.
Yeah.
It was hitting the hood. It was. I mean, we even notched out the hood to try to get it to fit.
I mean, it still looks like the motor is actually sitting there pretty decent.
Well, it's dropping it an inch. It sits it down back to where the 26 will be.
Okay.
Just about.
So we were looking at those subframe spacers.
Yeah. That's why we went with the Hypertune covers at first, because the stock covers sit even higher. So we figured, okay, let's do the lower profile covers first. That didn't work. Got this hood, because the hood that was with the car didn't have as much clearance here. So that was fouling. So we switched the hood, and then the turbos were the problem. So then we just said, screw it, let's just lower the whole thing.
What's up, man? Hey, did they tell you where to park?
Yeah, right beside it.
Yeah. Let them know what's in there. They think it's an RV, man. No. So if you didn't know, this is LS swap, not RV swap.
It's got some good chop. What up, dog?
What up, dog? Choppy, man. Woo! Big pipe. Ooh, that thing running rich. Fire in the hole. Yeah, like that. Me too.
It definitely doesn't sound like it.
No. What exhaust is that?
It's like an HKS, but like.
That's so weird having an LS do that.
Good job, Cody. I know you've been working on it for forever.
I know, forever. It finally runs. Yeah.
Why? Don't do that. You don't have to do that if you come here, just so you know that. We know it's a Mustang. Good thing he didn't crash it.
Good thing there weren't any people over there.
Oh my God, they would have been dead.
Yeah,
That
so
clear
I can
intake.
Just eliminate that.
So we can see all the fumes, right?
Yeah.
I love watching air flow.
But the most amazing thing about this is
What's that?
your hood's not cut out.
I know.
That's crazy.
There's no hood spacers,
And it still fits.
and it
Yep.
still fits perfect.
How'd you do it, man?
That's just
It's a secret?
R32 for you.
Oh, okay.
That's awesome.
It's just nice and low.
What's going on,
What's going on, gentlemen? So tell me about Wolf Clan.
We're a local drift team out of Louisa, Virginia. We set up little pop-up shops at drift events and just sell knickknacks to people that want to buy cool stuff from Japan.
Exactly, man. I love it. Super cool.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, that's our skyline right there.
Love it too. Little option mag. Gangster. Sorry.
And in South Carolina, I see a lot of these.
What rear end is
South
that?
Carolina.
What rear end is that?
Winner's quick change.
Okay.
It's hard to keep clean with the open wheels and stuff. But we put it up on the lift last November and wiped it down pretty good.
Yeah. It looks awesome, man.
Thank you.
work it out with a squeegee, laying it down. Yeah. And then peel the white off that side, lay that down, right? And then work it up in the trim. You don't want to push it too hard. You just want to get up there. And then you peel the clear part off, and then you just trim out around the windowsill. A Legacy takes a B windshield banner.
Yeah.
Measured out.
Perfect.
It's in the camera so we don't forget.
So you know.
How old is
What's
it?
up, Mini
It'll
Ed?
be a year old next week.
Say saw, dude.
Say saw that.
What's up, dude?
Mini Ed in the house. You definitely know it's Ed. Look at that forehead. Straight up Ed. Yes, you are. Get you to back in that yellow one. Yeah, just back in like that yellow one there. What's going on, man?
How's it going? Long drive.
So much driving.
I didn't have a chance to clean it.
Yeah. Well, a 7-hour journey. I mean, you're not going to have much time to clean it. It's awesome, man. All right, so we got my buddy Pickerel here.
What's up?
Obviously, you got a Skyline. This is what was it? GTS?
GSI.
Or GSI, that's right.
Yeah,
So
base model.
Skyline GSI base model. It came with what, like an RB20 DE?
No, it come off a CA18.
That's right.
Yeah, carbureted or throttle body injection.
Yeah, but DE, so no turbo. And you've done the most blasphemous thing in the world, and you've LS swapped it.
LS2.
LS2.
With the
So,
CD009.
tell me what's done in the motor.
It's got everything: high compression pistons, big cam, head work. Just pretty much your basic LS build.
Yeah.
Got a CD009 on it. Sicky headers. That's pretty much it. Holly Terminator X to run it.
That's awesome. So how much power is it making?
No clue.
No clue.
Enough, yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, it's pretty.
Wiring needs a lot of work.
Yeah. But I mean, you just finished this thing last week, right?
It, yeah, a few days ago.
So we got our boy Kendall here. I want you to tell us about your car, man.
Just a 5.0 swap BMW. I bought a box body just for parts, real cheap, and just pulled everything out of it, went through it, and just been trying to go through it and get it all together. But just heads cam, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot.
And on bags.
Yeah.
With the Street Fighter arrow?
Pandem.
Pandem?
Yeah.
Word. This thing's sweet, man. I mean, you see LS swap stuff, you just don't see 302 swap stuff. That's awesome. Cosmos. But the only wheel that I like from Cosmos, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. These XT005Rs are nuts. It's just because they're aggressive and they got that like inset lip on them. Is it an actual M3? No.
No, it's a 328.
Okay.
Just started with a cheap one.
Yeah.
Bought it planning to cut it. So.
That's a good idea. That's all the BMW like aficionados don't kill you.
Yeah, well, I had an M3. I couldn't cut that.
So what air suspension you running?
It's Airlift 3H.
Airlift 3H.
Yep.
What stand is it? What management?
3H.
3H.
Yeah,
Okay.
Airlift 3P 3H stuff with the height sensors.
Sweet. So it's like always adjusting while you're
Yeah.
riding. That's rad.
Yeah, it's self-leveling.
Good work.
Yep.
Give me some. Yeah. Ed's gonna tell us what we're raffling away.
We're raffling off a shirt, a GTR shirt.
GTR shirt. And I'm not looking. I'm just gonna read off the last three. 422. 454. How about 465? And 488. 457. 480.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. How about a window banner? Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Get you pulled over in a hot second. Let's do it. All right. For real though, Chris, do you want to thank everybody?
Thank you, everybody. No, thanks for coming out. Next spring, it's going to be the first Saturday in May, and we're going to have the dyno up and running. So bring your car. Yeah, we're going to raffle off dyno pools